All right, guys, it has been about a year now since we installed the Cloud Energy 150 amp hour 48 volt lithium battery into our golf cart. It's been a great battery, and it's not the first time we've used Cloud Energy. We had another cart project where we put the Cloud Energy battery in there, and that was the 100 amp hour battery, still going strong, works great, and that was the one with the plastic case. The one, this 150 amp hour one, which is pretty much the biggest one I could fit in this cart, has the metal case, which is serviceable case, has two positive, two negative lugs, the on and off button. It's a beautiful battery. I love that battery. It serves all the purposes you want. So far, it's been good. There's been a couple, not issues with the battery per se, but a couple of the other things like on the monitor. Let's go over here to the cart and I'll show you what we're talking about. All right, now on this car, when you get the battery, you're going to get the battery comes with the charger and it comes with the display. Let me turn on the display for you. Okay, you can see we're at 74%, and it tells us everything we need to know. And like on page 2, it'll tell you the charge cycles. In the year that we've had it, and we use this daily, daily, it's only got 17 charge cycles on it, and it's at what it's at. So keep that in mind. But what I hate about this, what I'm not liking, and I have never been able to figure it out, is on the display, I can't get the display to go like to 0. At 25%, the battery stops. So I know that between 25 and 30, I gotta charge it in there somewhere, otherwise it's gonna leave me somewhere. So that has happened. So on our display, no matter what I did, I tried to 0 everything they told me to do. At 25%, the battery's shutting off, and then we gotta go back to charge it. So I'm assuming we're still getting the life of the battery because it fully charges, but and on that it only reads 25%. Then we know we gotta charge. You can see, if this refresh some of you guys' memory who's been with the channel a while, the metal case one where we had to modify a little bit to get this in here flat. We had to push this in a little bit to get the battery to fit in here, but it works great. The tie downs, nothing's moved. The onboard charger still works great. Over here, it charges the battery pretty quickly, and then we also put that NOCO port in here so we can get we can just plug in an extension cord. Show you that, the NOCO over here, we can just plug in an extension cord. That's all we need. So nothing special, no special ended plugs or anything like that, but it's worked great. We have nothing to complain about. We've used many different lithium batteries for golf carts, and all the ones we've tried so far, this is our favorite one. We hope to work with them again in the future. We're going to do more golf cart projects, I'm sure. This golf cart here is going on to its new owner, and then we'll go on to another project probably and do another one. So keep that in mind. So keep tuned to the channel. We'll probably do another golf cart. I'm thinking. What do you think?
Yeah.
Most likely. We've done quite a few of them, so they're fun to do. They're easy to work on, and then converting them to lithium is fun also. So we will probably use a Cloud Energy battery. We'll see. We'll reach out to them and when we're ready to do a project, see if they want to work with us again. So we just want to give you guys that update. Like I said, it's been about a year now, not quite, just a little under, and everything still is working great. If you haven't seen those videos yet and us installing this into here, we'll leave links to them down below. Also, we've done it in a 36 volt cart. We did that in an E-Z-Go, and we've also done the smaller 100 amp hour ones of different brands, also a Cloud Energy one in 48 volt cart. And this is the Club Car DS, a 2006 model. We've done a 2007. We've done some older 97. We've done that, like I mentioned, that E-Z-Go. So we've done a bunch of different ones, and we did the conversion on all of those. So if you are interested in doing a conversion on yours, check those links out down below. With that being said, guys, thanks for watching. Until next time, sure, try something new.